Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to stop sites from gaining access to your payment method in Chrome browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. I'm going to simply click on my Chrome right here. Then after you open up your Chrome, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right there, click on these three dots from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way to privacy and security. So click on that. It open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down, and where you have access payment method, allow site to check if you have payment method saved. What you need to do is to simply disable this. So once it's disabled this, each time you are accessing a website that has to do with payment of subscription, this is going to pump up and asking you to enter your detail instead of auto payment accessed by different websites. It's as simple as that. So by turn off this particular button, you safeguard yourself from unnecessary charges from your credit card or your debit card. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to stop website from accessing your payment method or payment detail in Google. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.